guys, today we have 4 cross-country monster trucks and we have monster-sized Play-Doh. We're going to build hills and jumps and all sorts of off-roading for these awesome 4x4 trucks. So all we can do now is open them up. Alright, let's take a good look at these trucks. First we have a black and white police monster truck. This one looks really hardcore. It's got the police lights up top, big 4x4 wheels, and it's black with checker white with a blue police stripe. Next we have a red monster truck. This guy's really colorful. Looks like he's got explosive things tearing out of the roof and out of the hood. Really colorful. Nice giant wheels for lots of good off-roading. Here we have a white monster truck with red, white, and green paneling. Looks like cracked ice. And this guy's ready for anything. And we have another police monster truck. This one is a silver truck with yellow and blue paneling. And the police labels, of course. More yellow and blue on the hood and the roof, as well as his blue and red emergency lights. That's awesome. Now the great thing about these trucks too is that they're interchangeable. You can pull these cabs off and you can stick another one on. Now how many toys can you do that with? That's a great feature. I love that. Let's connect these back together. They're all set up for racing. Now, what's the best thing to do with monster trucks? How can we test these guys out? Well, we got some Play-Doh here. I say we build some Play-Doh jumps, ramps, hills, and have some 4x4 monster truck fun. Well, there they are, our 4 cross-country 4x4 monster trucks. These are awesome toys and really fun to play with when you build some Play-Doh jumps and obstacles. These are really detailed, really durable. They can take a beating. Yeah, they're made of hard plastic, and you can take the cabs off and interchange them for lots of fun. So I highly recommend getting yourself some indestructible 4x4s. Well, this was lots of fun today, guys, and there's lots more fun we could have. Just keep adding Play-Doh and keep building more sets, making more jumps, lots of crashes, and lots of fun. So thanks for joining me today, guys. This has been the Cross Country 4x4 Monster Trucks. And we added 2 3-pound, 3-color Play-Doh. So thanks for joining me today, guys, and we look forward to more great toy testing and lots more monster trucks and plenty of Play-Doh on Toy Tester Tom. We'll talk to you soon.